Good afternoon, Mama's beautiful babies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making meatloaf and corn with broccoli. By the way, I know you guys can tell that I love broccoli, and I love collard greens and kale too. So that's what I'll be making today. Meatloaf, turkey meatloaf with a side of corn and broccoli. So today, let's get started. I'm gonna put my green peppers, red peppers, and onions in my meat. Okay, gotta have those, you know, Mama like those. Okay, and I'm gonna use my same old seasonings like I use. I'm back, babies. Now I'm gonna put this meatloaf here. Put this meatloaf right here in the oven. Oh, I ain't even turn the oven on. Let me turn this oven on. We're gonna bake it at 365, and we're gonna start. And we're gonna put it in the oven. We'll do our vegetables. Gotta have my butter. Put some butter in there. Broccoli. regular corn. Regular old corn. We're gonna dump that in there. Dump. Don't need too much water. We're gonna let that cook. And when it starts to boil, we're gonna turn it down some. And I'll be back with y'all. My meatloaf has been in there for about an hour and 15 minutes. I covered it in between time. And I'm gonna put the sauce. And I'll be right back when it's done to plate it. And I just took the meatloaf out. And this is the finished result. Now I'm gonna cut a piece. Cut several pieces. Oh, it's hot. That looked good. Okay, I'm gonna plate this up, and that's gonna be the end of this video. Let's see. Here's the broccoli and corn. There it is, y'all. Let me take off that. There it is. Broccoli with corn and meatloaf. Turkey meatloaf. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. Okay, bye. See you in my next video.